Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Dr. Siti Mariam. My name is Mohamad Akmal bin Mohamad Rosli and my matrix number is 200732. So right now I'm going to present about my work for the assignment. Okay, so as we can see here, this is the data of all the students in our class. All the 63 students. So for the first question, it asks for a graph to represent the category of the BMI. So I have categorized the category of the BMI here: underweight, normal, pre-obese, obese 1, obese 2, and obese 3. 13, 33, 11, 4, 2, and 0 respectively. So this is my graph for the question 1, and as we can see here, the mean is 10.5 and the mode is 33. Okay, let's move on to the second question. Okay, for the second question, we ask to get the graph, which is the box and whisker graph, that represent the random data of 30 students that include female and male. So I have random by using the rand. So I randomly get 30 out of 63 students, and then I have categorized their BMI here. So this is all the data, the x square here and here. Okay, so this is the latest data for it, which is the sum, x bar, variance, standard deviation, as you can see here. And also for the graph, it's actually accurate. So as you can see here, this mean, the sample mean is 22.1565, which is the same. The median is 31.55. The Q1 is the 18.85. The quartile 3 is 23.7675. The minimum is 15.625 and the maximum is the 27.4. And these three data is actually the outliers of this graph. Okay, now let's move on to the next question, which is the question 3A. I divided this to two sections, which is the 3A and 3B. 3A is for the male, 3A is for the female, and the 3B is for the male. Okay, so for 3A first, so I have sorted all the female here of our classes and taken out 50 of them randomly, as we can see here. Okay, now so this is their data for the BMI, and this is the data. So this is also the data, and as we can see, the graph here is actually accurate with what we have got here: sample mean, median, quarter 1, quarter 3, RMAX, and minimum is actually the same. And this is the outliers too. Okay, now let's move on to the last question, which is for the male. So this is all of the male in our classes. So this is all of the males in our class, and I have randomly taken 15 out of them. 50 male, and this is the data. And this is the data, and this is the graph, which is also pretty accurate, same as before. And for this graph, there is actually no outliers here, because all of the data is actually in the range of the minimum outliers and the maximum outliers. Something like that. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.